According to government data, the probability that an adult was never in museum is 15%. In a random survey of 10 adults, what is the probability that at least 8 were in the museum? Right, so probability that 8 were in the museum, and that survey there are 10 adults, so n is 10 and at least 8 were in the museum, right? So 8 were in the museum, right? So now in the museum is your success, right? So success is when the person is in the museum. So now in this case, it says that never in the museum, the probability never in a museum is 0.15 or 15%. And we are representing that, say let X represent that the success means that the person in the museum, right? So person in the museum, right? They're represented by X. So then in this case, so this is our success, right? So which is success. So it means that the probability of success would be then, so because never in museum are 15%, then the probability, the people who are in museum would be 1 minus 15%. That's 85%. So it would be 0.85 or 85%. So P probability of success is 0.85. And we have, this is our N. So N is 10. And at least 8 were in the museum. So we have to find that probability of X is greater or equal to 8. At least 8, greater or equal to 8. Right? So which could be done in two different ways. So one way is that, so probability of X is greater or equal to 8. So it means that the probability of an X is equal to 8 plus probability of X is equal to 9 plus probability of X is equal to all 10, right? Like this way. And now you can use binomial equation. And binomial equations could be like, say, 8, there are 10. So 10C8. So P is like, say, 0.85 to the 8. And then 1 minus 0.85 is 0.15 to the 10 minus 8 is 2, like this one. Similarly, 10C9 and then 0.85 to the 9. And the failure is 0.15. So 0.15 to the 10 minus 9 is 1. Similarly, plus 10C10 and then 0.85 to the 10 and then 0.15 to the 0. So you can compute it and then you can come up like, say, this would be your answer when you compute it. So your answer would be 0.820. So this, the whole thing would turn out to be 0.820. This is one way of doing it, right? So the other way of doing is that you can think of like, say, P of, so X is greater or equal to 8. So this would be the same as 1 minus P of X is less than 8, right? At least 8 means that 1 minus P of X is less than 8. So which is the same as 1 minus P of X is less or equal to 7. Less than 8 means that less or equal to 7. So now you can compute it by using, if you have a your graphing calculator, so you can use this one. So binom CDF, and you have then n value which is 10 and probability of success is 0.85 and then 7. So this command would give you the value for this part here, and then whatever the answer you get, subtract from 1 and then you would get the same answer as this one.